What's going on, traders? Welcome to the channel. I'm John. That's Groot. We trade options here. All right, so we are covering really quickly today how to find oversold stocks for free. And we're just going to use a tool called Finviz. They have a scanning tool and it's really powerful. Just a website that you will go to here. So Finviz, I'll show you here. We just go to this, but help me help you. Go ahead and drop a like. It will help us get this out to other traders. And for anyone new here, we trade options for income. We use that income to grow the income snowball further and further. So that wealth will just increase over time, as well as using that for some speculative trades here. So like I said, drop a like, hit a subscribe if you are interested in money. And now we're on Finviz. I'm going to show you really quickly two things I like. The news, I love this feature because you can see all the news without having to go to CNBC and just get like overwhelmed. You just have a ton of stuff you can just view really quickly. No need to read a bunch of news articles there. Now on the screener, you're just going to go right here under this tab where it says screener, and the best thing we're going to look at is how to find oversold stocks using this screener. And there's a couple things we need to do first. One, we need to thumb out the volume. We want something that has higher volume. If it's low volume, you can't really trade it. It's really hard to trade. So typically speaking, you may want to be something over 500K, over 750 or higher. So I'm going to go over 750K here on average daily volume. And then what we'll do is under this is for descriptive scans, but now I'm going to take us to technical. And I'm big on technical, and there's a few features that are great here, but the main thing is that we're going to look at volatility and RSI, and they're right next to each other up here where my mouse is. So under volatility, we're going to start this off by just going on the weekly volatility. Let's say over 5% for now. That is helpful, but you can always up that even higher. Note as you go higher, like say 12 or 10% volatility, it'll start to really weed out the stocks. There'll be a lot less on your scan. So for now, we'll just go really light to catch that, but RSI is the important one. So this is the RSI 14, and you are going to do something called scanning for the oversold. So as we go here, oversold will usually be really extreme if it's at 10, 20, 30, and then 40 is less extreme. So keep that in mind. I'm going to go to 30 for now, just so it gives us a broad overview of some oversold stocks to look at. And that's great. You can see right here, we got 3 pages worth of stocks that have come back on our scan, and you're going to have the tickers, and you can thumb over it and it shows you the chart, which is nice too. But another one I love too, if you're very visual, this is perfect. You go to charts right here. I'm going to click on it. And next thing you know, you're going to get your return, your 53 stocks that it gave back to us in the scan in the form of a chart. And now I can look at this visually and just say, hey, do I like this chart formation? Yes or no? Do I think it's near support? Has it gapped down? Is it kind of crazy? That is a very powerful tool to have. And so, for example, as we see this, you can see like downtrend channels. You can see stocks that have been just popped much higher, and then now they've just really gone much lower. And you have stuff like IGT, which this stock does look pretty nice. It's starting to approach support here, a big support at about 16, but then even at the 18 level, there is another support level that this is getting near. You just have a trend line that is coming up on IGT. So we need to overcome this kind of like average trend line going down in order to start seeing this move higher. So that's pretty good. I really like this tool. It's very powerful, quick and easy. And that's all I got for you today. So if you like the content, there's plenty more on the channel, but like I said, definitely you'll want to subscribe if you like income trading.